Hi, boys and girls. We're continuing with yesterday's lesson of the First Inhabitants, Part 2. And the focus question was who lived in New York City in the 1600s before the Dutch and English arrived? So let's review the timeline from the last lesson. We talked about how the Native Americans inhabited in New York City before 1600. And then we went from 1613 was the Dutch settled in New York City. Then we knew the English settled in 1664. And we also know that other Europeans settled in New York City after 1664. So we spoke about how the Muncies were the first inhabitants of New York City. We also spoke about how they lived, their homes, and how they hunted and cooked their food. So today what we're going to talk about specifically is about how the Muncies used natural resources to get what they needed for their daily lives. So natural resources are just what they get in nature. And what do they do? How do they get their food? How do they get their clothes? How do they get everything? Let's see. So we know that the Muncies, they lived near a forest, and they would go in the forest and the meadows actually, and they would see all kinds of animals. They would see deer, beaver, bears, raccoons, rabbits, and birds. They would see all these animals, and what they would do is they would hunt these animals to make clothes and food from them. They would also go to the ponds and the creeks nearby, and that's where the Muncies would catch fish, shellfish, and they would collect it with their nets and spears from their dug-out canoes. This is an example of a dug-out canoes that they would use. The Muncies also would plant corn, squash, and beans for them to eat. They also collected fruit. This is an example of squash, corn, and beans. So now today we're going to do part 2 of our book. So we're going to do part 2. Here is a page that I have set up for you boys and girls. And it's going to say on the heading, how did the Muncies use natural resources to get what they need? So we know from looking at this that we know from before we spoke about the ponds and creeks, how they fished. We know we went to the forest and they hunted different animals. And we know that they also planted corns and squash and beans. So I want you guys to use these as an example to help you. So I'll just model a little example here for you guys. So I wrote, how did the Muncies use natural resources to get what they needed? So I'm going to say the Muncies would hunt animals in the forests and meadows to, why would they hunt? To get food and clothing. What else did they do? They also went to ponds and creeks to fish. They would use the fish for food. Then also, what did they do? The Muncies would plant corn, squash, and beans so they can eat. So those are some examples, boys and girls. I'm actually going to erase this part, and I want you boys and girls to write it on your own and use your own words. You could use these pictures. You can go back in the video and look at different things. You could even include the canoe if you'd like. So that's what I want you boys and girls to do. And let me see, we could actually get a sentence starter going. So you would say the Muncies use natural resources by, and then you would write your natural resources. Okay, boys and girls, you really did an awesome job today listening to the video. And now I would like you to get started on page 2 of your books. Good luck, boys and girls.